Yes. Good morning. Good morning. No, no, I will not take to Kahoot. Kahoot, many children are skipping. बहुत skip कर. Okay. In Kahoot, many people are skipping that. On that day, 36 children were entered. 36 entered, only 21 played that game. तो वो play तो play. No. No, no, no. I will not take. No. Okay. I will not take through Kahoot. I will just. Ma'am, please Kahoot, ma'am, please. No. Ma'am, please. Let's stop.
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Okay. So let's start our class. Okay. I'm sharing a document to you. It is a question paper. Okay. So just seeing that you have to reply me. Okay. The person whom I will be asking, he or she will be telling me the answers. Okay. So the first question is, read the following statements and select the correct ones. These are the coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels. Okay. The second is, coke is used in the manufacture of steel, and fossil fuels are present in limited quantities. Now options are given: A and B, A, B, C and D, and A, B and C, A and D. Okay. Up you, by seeing this, you have to tell me what is the correct option for it. Okay. Rajat, what happened? Yes, Rajat, tell me. Rajat, what happened? What happened, Rajat? Rajat?
मैम मिस्टेक से हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं. आप मुझे पहले आंसर बता सकते हो, पहले एमसीक्यू का? कैन यू टेल? No. Then Moksh. Okay. Moksh, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is C.
C. That is option number
A, B, and
A, B and C.
ma'am,
Okay.
option number. Yes, ma'am.
Next, Rashi, what you are telling?
No, ma'am, no. Ma'am, A, B, C, D.
Okay. Rashi,
Yes, ma'am.
according to you, what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, of question number 1, option number C, A, B, and C is the right answer.
Okay. Then let me say another. Arham, according to you, what is the correct answer?
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, and D. Okay.
D.
Good. D. Okay. Good. Good. Jainam, according to you, what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, A and D. D1.
Okay. Now let me answer. Okay. The correct option is option number B, that is A, B, C, and D. All the statement here presented are correct. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuel. It is correct statement. Coal and natural gas are exhaustible resources. That is also correct. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel. Yes, it is correct. फॉसिल फ्यूल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन लिमिटेड क्वांटिटीज, ये भी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज ए, बी, सी एंड डी आर द करेक्ट option. Okay, so B is the correct. Okay, next, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. Okay, Bhumika, next chance I will give to you. The slow process of conversion. Good morning. The process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called as dash. Okay, now this question will be answered by Bhumika. And don't shout others. If you're knowing the answer well and good, I will give you chance. Where is Bhumika? Bhumika, tell me the answer.
Carbonization.
Good. So, and the correct answer is carbonization. Okay. And those who know, they can answer me to the chat. Like I am able to see the others. They're like Gunjan replied me to the chat. It is not necessary that I will be asking that person will reply me. Gunjan, good. You are replying me to the chat section. Good, beta. Keep it up. Okay. So the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called as carbonization. Okay. Next. Okay, good. The gas which that is generally produced when coal is burnt in the presence of lot of air. जब lot of air use होगा, not limited, excess. Okay, excess of air is there, then what it will be? Deep, deep, deep. Are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Tell me what is the next MCQ? Next MCQ का आंसर बताओ. What is the answer of the next MCQ? Are you able to tell, beta? Huh? Deep. Now let Ishika. Let me give chance to Ishika. Ishika.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Good, 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 good. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Good, Ishika. Okay. So the correct answer is okay. Janam, good. Bhumika also good. I am able to see your answers through the chat section. Okay, good, beta. So the correct answer is what? Carbon dioxide. Now let's see the next question. Coke is used in the manufacture of what? Okay, Coke is used in the manufacture of what? Dash, we will see. Here, Keshav. 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 Hello. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, tell me the next answer. Next MCQ. Ki Coke is used in the manufacture of dash. Others, answer me through the chat section. I will be able to see. It's not like that I will be asking that person, then only you will be replying. You can answer me to the chat. I am able to see.
Why sodium item?
Sodium, no?
No, ma'am. Steel.
Steel. Good. So the correct answer is steel. Okay. So good, Keshav. So this is the correct answer, that is steel. Next. Identify the. Yes, Moksha, Bhumika, I am able to see your answers. Good, beta. Okay. Identify the substance which is tough, porous, and black. It is almost a pure form of carbon. Okay. So this will be answered by Bhumika. Good. आपने आंसर किया. सूर्यांश, you answer me the next question. Suryansh.
Ma'am,
Yes.
coal tar.
Coal tar is the purest form, you want to tell? क्वेश्चन में
Ma'am,
क्या?
coal gas.
आप सारे ऑप्शंस को ऐसे रिपीट थोड़ी कर सकते हो. टेल मी ओनली वन.
No, ma'am. Option D. Option D.
That means any one you tell. Name you tell. What is that? Name. Coal, coal tar, coal gas. What it is that? Tell me. Suryansh,
Ma'am, coal gas.
final answer coal gas. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is not correct. Chaitanya, Chaitanya,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what
Ma'am,
is a
I think it's coal tar.
coal tar.
Coal tar is. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let me give others. Lakshya, according to you, what is the correct answer? Lakshya?
Coke.
Coke. Good, beta. I got the
Coke.
correct answer. Coke is the purest form of that. Okay. So, and it is black and porous. So remember that. Identify the substance which is tough, porous and black. It is almost pure form of carbon, and that is what your Coke. Is it clear? ओके, नॉट कोल टार, नॉट कोल गैस. ओके, क्योंकि कोल गैस भी मिक्सचर होता है, हाइड्रोजन वगैरह मीथेन गैस वगैरह का मिक्सचर होता है, वो आपका प्योर फॉर्म नहीं है. सेम वे कोल्टार के लिए भी है. कोल्टार में बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स मिक्स होते हैं, वो भी नहीं है. क्रूड ऑयल तो और बहुत सारे केरोसिन पेट्रोल वगैरह का मिक्सचर होता है, तो वो भी प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म नहीं है. कोक इज द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म. ओके, नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज्ड इन द मेटल एक्सट्रैक्शन? Which of the following is Ishika? Yeah, good beta. Okay, which of the following is used in the metal extraction? Gunjan, which of the following is used in the metal extraction? Gunjan?
Ma'am,
हाँ,
answer is coal tar.
coal tar. Good. You are saying coal tar. It is a final answer. Okay. So Gunjan is saying coal tar is the correct answer. Rajat, answer of Gunjan is correct. Rajat,
Yes, ma'am.
answer said by Gunjan said that coal tar is the correct option. Can you tell me, is it correct or not? Then according to you, what is the correct option?
Coke.
Coke. Good. So the correct option is coke. Okay. So which of the following is used in the metal extraction? The correct option is coke. Okay. Clear hai? The which among us the following is used in the manufacturing of perfume? Perfume के manufacture के लिए कौन use होता है? What is used in the manufacture? Laksh, good beta. I am able to see your answer. Good. Disha, Disha.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ab now tell me the next answer. Which of the following is used in the manufacture of perfume?
Coal tar.
Coal tar. Good. Good beta. Good. Okay. Next. Next is, which of these is an exhaustible resource? Air, coal, water, sunlight. Okay, this is very easy. Anybody can tell. Garv, Garv, hello, Garv, hello, Garv. He's not there. Then Pehel, Pehel, you tell me the answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is coal.
The answer is coal. Okay, good.
Coal.
Good, beta, good. Okay, next. The next question is, in which of the following is an example of inexhaustible resource? Deep, I am able to see your answer. Good, beta. So, which of the following is an example of inexhaustible resource? Moksh, Moksh, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer of the next question, beta.
Ma'am, diesel.
Diesel is an example of inexhaustible resource. Okay, what is inexhaustible? Can you tell me what do you understand by inexhaustible resource? आप inexhaustible का मतलब क्या समझते हो? अच्छा, आप अगर एक्सॉस्टिबल का मतलब क्या है पता है? एग्जॉस्टिबल का मीनिंग, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एग्जॉस्टिबल? मोक्ष? एक्चुअली, सो द आंसर इज करेक्ट
मैम
आंसर।
exhaustible.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो। एग्जॉस्टिबल मीनिंग? सब।
Ma'am, uh, the amount of the amount of resources in nature is limited. They can be,
हाँ,
ma'am,
अगर वो लिमिटेड है
ma'am,
आप
they
उसको,
are limited in nature, ma'am.
अगर अनलिमिटेड है तो वो
Ma'am,
इनएग्जॉस्टिबल
they
है।
are,
हाँ, तो अभी आपको ये चार ऑप्शन में
yes,
से
ma'am.
कौन सा अनलिमिटेड लग रहा है? विच इज अनलिमिटेड? भूमिका, आई एम एबल टू सी योर आंसर्स, गुड बेटा।
Ma'am, wind.
Wind. Okay, good. Now you got the correct one, na? Okay, so this way you have to understand and then don't immediately jump to the answer. Okay. Next question. In India, which association
Yes, ma'am.
advises, good? In India, which association advises people on saving petrol or diesel while driving? Okay, petrol and diesel while driving. Okay. So this will be answered by Rashi. Rashi, 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 what are you doing, Vita? You have raised the hand also.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. Question number 10, correct answer. You tell me what is the correct answer. Question number 10, what is the correct option? Tell me the correct option. Can you tell, Rashi? Okay, let me ask other person. Sur, can you tell me? Hello? Tell me the correct answer, beta. Sur,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the correct answer, beta, of question. Option number A. Good. What is that? Petroleum Conservation and Research Association. Good. Okay, so the correct option is Petroleum Conservation Research Association, PCRA. Okay. Next, which among us the following is petroleum product which can be used in metaling of roads? Metaling of roads. Okay. Mehak, Mehak. What are these people doing? Mehak, I am talking to you. Are you there or not? I can see your name, but you are not at all replying. Naman,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me, beta. I am noting the names of the children, those who are not replying. Naman,
Yes, ma'am. 11th answer option B.
ऑप्शन डी, मेटलिंग ऑफ रोड के लिए आप कोल गैस को
B,
यूज
B,
करते हो?
B.
बी, बाइटुमेन. गुड.
Ma'am, B.
हाँ, या गुड गुड. ओके. नेक्स्ट, which of these is used as a solvent for dry cleaning? मैं आगे स्लाइड करूंगी. which of the these is used as a solvent for dry cleaning? Okay. लावण्य, हेलो लावण्य.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you answer. Which of the following is used as a solvent for dry cleaning? Bitumen, paraffin wax. The next option is petrol, and the last is kerosene.
Kerosene.
Kerosene is not used
Ma'am,
as beta.
kerosene.
No. Kerosene is not. But as a solvent, petrol is used, not kerosene is used. Okay. Solvent के
Vitamin,
form में.
ma'am, A.
नहीं 12 वाला पूछ रही हूँ
Ma'am,
मैं.
A.
नहीं, नॉट ए. आप ड्राई क्लीनिंग में जो ड्राई क्लीनिंग एजेंट्स के जो केमिकल आते हैं हम उसको डिसॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग पेट्रोल यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. सॉल्वेंट के फॉर्म में हम पेट्रोल यूज कर सकते हैं. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट. ओके, क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट, many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. Name the correct name. Select the correct name given to this substances. आपको कौन सा करेक्ट नेम जो आपको जो पेट्रोलियम से जो प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. भूमिका. Yes, Bhumika, answer number 13 of yours is correct. Good, Bhumika, your answer is correct. Lakshinat, your answer is not correct, beta. Gunjan, your answer is also correct. Arham, your answer is also correct, beta. Okay, now let's see the next one. Uh, what are these people doing? Let me see. Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
answer me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next this question. Question number. What is this? Question number 13. Question number 13.
Ma'am, option number C, ma'am. Petrochemicals.
Yes, petrochemicals. Some people were saying petro compounds. It is not petro compounds, beta. It is petrochemicals. Okay, petrochemical is the correct name. Next, choose the correct option. Column A is the name of the petroleum product and B is containing their uses. Okay, you have to tell me which is the correct match the following. So your answer is also correct, beta. I saw. Okay. Bhumika, tell me the option. Tell me the option number. Not like this. Tell me the option number. Okay. Next. Who is this? Shaili. Shaili. Hello. Shaili. Hello. Tanvi. Hello, Tanvi. Tanvi. Hello. What are you people doing when I am asking? Vishesh. Beta, tell me. Who is doing this annotation? Chaitanya, don't do this. Chaitanya, don't do this. Chaitanya, remove that annotation, beta, because others will get to know the answers. Chaitanya, don't do this. Others will see the answers otherwise. Don't do this. Bhumika, I saw your answer. It is not correct one. Now you answer me, beta. What is the correct option? Daksh, Vinod, remove that. Ishika, correct? Okay, let me. Okay, Bhumika, tell. Bhumika, हेलो
Ma'am, ma'am,
हाँ
for LPG, the answer will be fuel for home.
LPG for fuel for home. Okay, then
Then petrol, motor fuel, bitumen.
wait 1 second. Lavanya, wait a second. You're up. Next is tell me. Will catch the person. Wait. You tell answer. You tell beta.
For bitumen, the answer will be
Hmm?
ointments. No. For
No,
bitumen,
not
paint the
ointments.
road, and for
एलपीजी का आपने बोला फ्यूल फॉर होम, वन का बी. ओके, वन का बी. और सेकंड का क्या? पेट्रोल एंड इंडस्ट्री के लिए आपने क्या बोला?
D1,
डी.
motor
हाँ,
fuels.
मोटर फ्यूल्स. करेक्ट. दैट इज. अब ये ए बी सी डी में आप ये जो बता रहे हो मेरे को कहाँ दिखेगा ये? अब थर्ड का क्या बोल रहे हो आप? सही था. बाइटुमेन, कैंडल्स, वैसलीन एक्सेट्रा कहाँ पे यूज होता है? हेलो भूमिका.
Paints, ointments,
नो 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 नो. बाइटुमेन, अरे बाइटुमेन पेंट्स में थोड़ी यूज होगा. रो सॉरी, आपका ऑइंटमेंट में थोड़ी यूज होता है. बाइटुमेन ऑइंटमेंट में थोड़ी यूज होता है वो. बाइटुमेन एंड वैसलीन आर यूज्ड इन पेंट्स एंड रोड्स. आपका वैसलीन कैसा रहता है? वैसलीन थोड़ा जेली टाइप का रहता है ना, जैसे विक्स रहता है वैसे ही रहता है ना. सो वैसलीन जो रहेगा वो आपका पेंट्स रोड में आएगा, और पैराफिन वैक्स जो है आपका ऑइंटमेंट्स में आएगा. ओके, क्लियर है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज आप B1, दैट इज 1B 2D 3A एंड 4C. इज इट क्लियर भूमिका? Bhumika,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Some people have replied me. Yes, Lakshya, I am able to see your answers correctly. Okay, good, beta. Next is question number 15. Petrol or diesel cannot be saved by. Cannot be saved by. Jainam, just see the option. Cannot be saved by. Okay, cannot be saved पूछ रहा है. Saved by नहीं पूछ रहा है. Cannot be saved by पूछ रहा है. Okay, good. Lakshya, I am able to see your answer. Good, correct one. Okay. Purvansh. Hello, Purvansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
answer, beta. What is the correct
Ma'am,
option?
option C,
Yes.
CNG.
अरे मैं उसका नहीं बोल रही हूँ बेटा, ये पहले वाले का 15 का बोल रही हूँ.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Coal.
15th, petrol or diesel cannot be saved by. Jainam, correct.
Ma'am, option
Option C.
C.
C और B.
Yes, ma'am.
आप B बोल रहे हो? हैं?
C.
Okay, good. Correct है. Ensuring the engine is turned on always. Okay, good. Next, which of the following is known as black gold? Which of the following is known as black gold? Saksham.
Yes, ma'am. Option C.
Option number
Coal.
C. Coal is known as black gold. Okay. Next. Next is your which of these is used for making naphthalene ball? Which of these is used for making? अच्छा, ब्लैक गोल्ड. एक मिनट. ऑप्शन से क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का मैंने क्या बोला? ब्लैक गोल्ड पूछा था ना, और आपने बोला सी. इट इज नॉट. लक्ष्य, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का आंसर नंबर सी नहीं है. ब्लैक गोल्ड आपका पेट्रोलियम है. अरहम, क्रूड ऑयल. आप किसका बता रहे हो? मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का बोल रही हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. ब्लैक गोल्ड इज पेट्रोलियम, नॉट गोल्ड. ओके, पेट्रोलियम है आपका. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? भूमिका, रिमूव दैट. ब्लैक गोल्ड जो है वो आपका पेट्रोलियम है, ना कि कोल है. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, अंडरस्टूड. आएगा तो कोल मत लिखना. ओके, कोल मत लिखना. ब्लैक कलर है इसलिए कोल वह नहीं है. ओके, पेट्रोलियम इज द करेक्ट आंसर. विच ऑफ दिस इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग नैप्थलीन बॉल्स? नैप्थलीन बॉल्स के लिए कौन यूज होता है? पुलकित विल टेल मी. Pulkit, tell me. Which of the this is C? CNG? Paraffin. Okay, you are saying paraffin. No, it is not correct. Paraffin is not. Arham, paraffin is not used. Coal tar. Coal tar is used. क्रूड ऑयल 16 नंबर का नहीं पूछ रही मैं बेटा, 17 का। 16 का तो आंसर डी है, पेट्रोलियम। 17 का पूछ रही हूँ, विच ऑफ दीज इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग नैप्थलीन बॉल्स। नैप्थलीन बॉल्स में करेक्ट आंसर आपका आपका सही आंसर है गुंजन। नो इट इज, अच्छा यू आर टेलिंग अबाउट 18। ओके, नैप्थलीन का जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है आपका कोल्टार। ओके भूमिका, करेक्ट इट इज। 17 का करेक्ट आंसर है कोल टार, नॉट सीएनजी। ओके पुलकित, क्लियर है?
यस मैम।
नेक्स्ट एजर्शन क्वेश्चन। अब एजर्शन रीजन, ये क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करना है पता है ना? आपको एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है और उसका रीजन बताया गया है कि कोल टार इज कोल गैस इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मीथेन, हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, और उसका रीजन बताया गया है कि कोल इज बर्न्ट इन एक्सेस ऑफ एयर। अब आपको ऑप्शन दे रहा है कि जो स्टेटमेंट है वो भी सही है बट द रीजन इज करेक्ट। मैं आपको पहला ऑप्शन बोल रहा है कि जो स्टेटमेंट गलत है लेकिन रीजन सही है। दूसरा बोल रहा है कि स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है और रीजन इनकरेक्ट है। और तीसरा बोल रहा है कि दोनों एजर्शन और रीजन, दोनों स्टेटमेंट और रीजन करेक्ट है बट लेकिन रीजन जो है वो करेक्ट तरीके से एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहा है स्टेटमेंट को। और चौथा ऑप्शन ये बोल रहा है कि जो स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है और रीजन दिया गया है दोनों करेक्ट है और रीजन जो है वो करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है स्टेटमेंट का। ठीक है, सो आप मुझे बताइए कि इस एजर्शन में कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? पार्टिसिपेंट्स, शौर्य, शौर्य, हेलो, हेलो, भावी, दीप, हेलो, शौर्य, वेयर आर दिस पीपल? Reply me the answer. Only few people are very active. Bhumika, Bhumika, tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Huh?
for question 18, the answer would be assertion is incorrect, but the reason is correct.
Assertion is incorrect but the reason is correct. Okay, कोल गैस नहीं बेटा, आपने गलत बोला। कोल गैस सही में मिक्सचर होता है मीथेन, हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड का, ये सही है। लेकिन रीजन जो है ये गलत लिखा गया है कि कोल इज बर्न्ट इन एक्सेस ऑफ एयर। नहीं, कोल को जब हम इन लिमिटेड सप्लाई ऑफ एयर में बर्न करते हैं तब कोल गैस बनता है। यानी कि यहाँ पे एजर्शन सही है और रीजन रॉन्ग है। ओके, सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। Assertion is correct but the reason is incorrect. Sur, not Sur, your option is wrong beta, just see. हाँ, B1 is correct. Assertion is correct but the reason is incorrect. Okay, clear है? Now next question, which of the following are the products obtained from coal? कौन सा सब्सटेंस कोल से मिलता है? ओके, अब ये देखिए ऑप्शंस नीचे दिखे है 1 3 4 6 1 2 4 6 1 3 4 5 1 2 3 4। इसमें आप मुझे बताइए कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन आपको सही मिल रहा है। वेट वेट, हाँ अभी 2 ही क्वेश्चन बचा है, देन आई विल स्टॉप। सम पीपल आर नॉट एट ऑल रिप्लाइंग। जैनम, हेलो जैनम, जैनम, आई एम एबल टू सी, हाँ आई एम एबल टू सी योर आंसर्स थ्रू चैट सेक्शन। बेटा रिप्लाई दिस वन।
ऑप्शन ए।
Binod, who is this Binod? Now tell me, beta, you tell me what is the correct option. Option A you are telling, that is 1 3 4 and 6. Good, it is correct. From coal, coal tar is obtained, coal gas is obtained, ammonical liquor is obtained and coke is obtained. Correct, your answer is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, Lakshya, second is not. Second is petrol. Lakshya, second is petrol which is not obtained from coal. Okay. कोल और कोल से पेट्रोल भी नहीं मिलता और पैराफिन वैक्स भी नहीं मिलता, वो तो पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट है, ठीक है। इसलिए करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या रहेगा? ए, दैट इज 1, 3, 4 एंड 6। नेक्स्ट, पेट्रोकेमिकल्स आर यूज इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ, या तो ये ऑल ऑफ दिस या फिर फाइबर्स। Who is that? Can you first tell me your name because I want to know the person who is telling me the answer. Tell me the name first, beta. Good. Tell me now. Pulkit, tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
No.
Pehel, your answer is correct. हाँ.
Ma'am.
Lakshya, your answer is also correct. Yes.
Ma'am, polythene.
Not okay. Polythene you are saying no. Only polythene is not. पेट्रोकेमिकल से आपको फाइबर्स भी मिलते हैं, डिटर्जेंट्स भी मिलते हैं और पॉलीथीन भी मिलते हैं। सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ दीज।
मैम
यस, सिंथेटिक फाइबर आप सुने हो ना?
पेट्रोकेमिकल कैसे?
हाँ,
मैम क्वेश्चन
सिंथेटिक,
21 में है आंसर।
हाँ ये आपका सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स पढ़े हो ना? सिंथेटिक फाइबर आपका नाइलॉन वगैरह, उसमें जो कंपाउंड्स लगते हैं वो कहाँ से मिल रहे हैं? वो पेट्रोलियम से ही मिल रहे हैं। ओके, पेट्रोलियम पेट्रोकेमिकल्स है वो, ठीक है।
यस मैम।
नेक्स्ट
मैम मैं आंसर क्वेश्चन 21।
कैन यू टेल मी द नेम फर्स्ट?
भूमिका।
यस, टेल।
Answer would be CNG.
Is very conscious of pollution to reduce the effect of pollution which good. The correct 21, the correct option is C. Good. D1, that is CNG. Good, Bhumika. Now next, last one, a solid fuel formed by heating of coal in the absence of air. Who will tell me the answer? Tell me. Who will tell me the
Can you
answer?
repeat the question?
एक मिनट, हाँ। सॉलिड फ्यूल फॉर्म बाय हीटिंग ऑफ कोल, कोल के गरम कोल को हीट करने से क्या होता है?